Hi guys, welcome back to another video from me and my pets TV. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. We thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate it. Goodbye. Let's get into the video.
Hi guys, so after I told you guys that the Barble Doves, they only lay 2 eggs per clutch. This morning we go outside, the sun come outside, guys, showing me that the pair has laid 4 eggs. Now I don't think that's possible because all of my research says is only 2 eggs them can lay. So my theory is that it is actually 2 females that are laying in the one nest, or it could be that the pair that we saw, or that we say is a pair, is actually 2 females. So guys, I don't think these eggs are fertile, but I'm gonna watch them. I'm not gonna trouble them. I'm gonna just leave them there, allow her to incubate on them. And remember, incubation is normally 16 to 18 days. Now I'm gonna ask Google just to be sure, coming on giving the wrong information. Google said it's between 18 to 20 days. So when you round it up, average it off, we're right there. Yeah, so we currently have 4 eggs in one nest. I don't know if it's male and female, or if it's 2 female, or if when they left their nest vacant, someone else went there and laid. I don't know what the story is, what the backdrop is, but I think it's probably 2 females, and I think that these eggs are infertile. However, time will tell, right? That's what Jamaicans say, time will tell. I don't know if a Jamaican say, but a Jamaican I'm born, a Jamaican I'm grown, a Jamaican I'm say, and a Jamaican I'm here. So, me say a Jamaican saying, I don't know about you. But yeah guys, after checking this morning, there were 4 eggs in the nest. One of them lay recently. If you can see the last one that she's sitting on, that one was just laid. Or the one that she's sitting over, because she's not sitting on any of them. She's not incubating as yet. So guys, let me know one thing. Which one I hear and think? You think of 2 female that they lay eggs? You think of when them vacate them, then gonna eat them food and let them nest unprotected, that someone else went there and lay? What do you think? I mean, me old firm say 2 female. When you think the egg them fertile or them infertile? What do you think? Talk to me. Drop a comment in the comment section so we can discuss further. Because I think 1, the eggs are infertile. 2, it is 2 female that are together. So that's my opinion. But yeah guys, see that one that is directly under her, that one is actually the last one that was laid. If you look, it has a different color. It has a different color when compared to the other 3. So you see how them line out? 1, 2, 3, 4 eggs. And she looks so tired. So you have to wonder if I really have one another this year. I guess you think they get superpower? No, because they would have been going against the law of nature. And I don't think they want to do that. Like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you can be notified each time a video is dropped. Adios!
Goodbye!